For sure. Like, of course, like, you know, you're nervous for the first, you know, brush fire or first vehicle fire, first structure fire. But I think the amount of training that we do, I think it's more excitement. Like, you want to do the skills that you've been just learning for so long, like so many weeks now. So.
Good morning from Fire Station number 8, located at Chambers Road and Alameda Parkway. Today, you and I are riding along with Engine 9. If you're wondering why Engine 9 is at Station 8, it's because Station 9 is under construction with an awesome looking new firehouse. I can't wait to take you on a tour when it opens up. But in the meantime, here we are splitting call duty back and forth. The crew is inside right now getting rig checks done.
So first thing I do in the morning is kind of like my pre-drill. So before we do like team drills or like team training, I like to grab some hose because I'm on the engine right now, and just go to each door around the station and do a bunch of hose deployments. Sometimes I switch it up and we'll throw ladders, like force a door, but each morning I like to at least put my bunkers on and then do some sort of training. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
So we do a lot of drills to get our heart rate up, to get a little bit more hypoxic before we do some technical stuff like force a door, pull hose. So it kind of simulates being at like that physical limit and then still having to do like those technical skills. So yeah, this morning we did a salt bike for 15 calories, masked up, and then had to force a door 3 times for time. It just simulates like on that 3rd rep, forcing that door is a lot harder. You have to use your brain a lot more.
This is what we can install once you guys in the academy push. Find that barrier and push past it, because you can do more. Come on.
It's amazing. I'm very thankful to work with one of my instructors. You're right, they just spent 20 weeks molding you into a firefighter, so that expectation I just feel like is a lot higher. And then just doing more and getting better at like the weaknesses that you both know that you have.
That meter. You're still doing it up. Why are you doing try that one. Now that you're tired, right? Use the other end. So I intentionally did that because when we're hypoxic, things are going to be hard. It's not going to be the same every time. So I intentionally moved from the middle because we have the first 2 down easy. Yeah. But we're not doing easy, right?
Yeah.
The last round, I want you to struggle. And I want you to do the same with me, right? Find that it's going to be easy and then it's going to be hard. We're not going to do easy every time. Yeah, switch it up. And wait to give up. Okay, really push.
I feel like in academy it was like every day was hard, but you had a schedule. It was like hour by hour, you knew exactly what was coming. Here, you have no idea.
Engine 7, Engine 8, Engine 9, Ladder 6, Ladder 16, Battalion 4, Battalion 2, on a possible structure fire.
Which way do you
east
want?
of the Hill Road, all incoming units, same traffic as Medic 110. At this time, Ladder 6 can handle All units responding can go available.
Can job, eh?
And fire dispatch, keep ladder 6 on the call. We'll advise the address.
You kind of have to make up your own schedule, and then if you want certain trainings to do, you have to go do it and like initiate it, because no one's gonna like hold your hand and be like hour by hour this is the schedule.
So start to lay your hose out at those bollards, those yellow posts in this side of the island. So go over there
Around,
and then
go down.
So that's our exposure. Like standing up again. So let's stand up on 3. You good? Good. 1, 2, 3. That's where, like, this is like everything. Lee's making the money because I need the backup. I can't handle this thing myself.
Yeah.
Right. Don't overthink it.
Okay.
Alright, that was good.
See how much you go forward.
Hey,
Right.
you blowing the hose blowing you.
A little bit of both. Yeah, so I was actually an EMT with Falck. So I've had 2 years as an EMT at Falck, and then I went to paramedic school at University Hospital, and then did my 500 with Aurora Fire.
South to Jewel? Yeah, to Mexico actually, and west. You know where it turns to Jewel.
Oh, yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, all the way. They updated with an address. Asbury.
For sure. Like, of course, like, you're nervous for the first, brush fire or first vehicle fire, first structure fire. But I think the amount of training that we do, I think it's more excitement. Like, you want to do the skills that you've been just learning for so long, like so many weeks now. So.
With me, back and forth, quick. Back and forth, back and forth. All right, now just gotta keep going. This one, right?
I gotta use the brush truck for the first time, never used that. So yeah, the crew helped me like go through it, and then we just made sure all the surrounding areas were soaked down after the fire was out.
Engine 9, ladder 13, battalion 3 vehicle into a house. 2006 East LaSalle Drive, you're across South Genoa Court, contact 2, 1049.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't.
Engine 5 Ladder 16 Battalion 1 on a vehicle into a garage. 14297 East Montview Boulevard, Unit 433.
2006.
Engine 5 Ladder 16 Battalion 1, vehicle into a garage. 14297 East Montview Boulevard.
So this was a vehicle that rolled from a house across the street, hit a parked car on the street, and then hit the support column for the front porch. Ladder 13 came with their Rescue 42s to stabilize the porch, while the firefighters worked to get that vertical support column that held the porch up back into place. Now it's back in place. All units are going in service because there was no injuries. At the same time, on the other side of the city, there's also a car versus building, and that one is leaning on a car, so the technical rescue team is there.
Kitchen is on fire.
Fire dispatch from medical.
Where?
Engine 9, you're available. Engine 9, you're available.
Oil caught fire.
Battalion 5, you'll be with Engine 4, Engine 8, Ladder 2, Ladder 13, Battalion 3, Medic 106, Engine 6, as well as PD, who is en route for an kitchen oven fire. It's within the first floor. There are no injuries, and everyone is outside.
Skyler, quit yelling at us. We're going as fast as we can.
Okay.
That's PIO's dinner. Don't throw it away.
Right here. See how they're starting to spread away? So then you just touch that back up. You get those spots. Then that means that the oil is going into the pan. And I'll let it heat up a couple, 2 or 3 times.
This is the real train.
Yeah.
That's right. Seasoned cast iron. Woo! But the glamorous part of the job.
Oh yeah, the best part. Cleaning toilets. So we started, I'm pretty sure, with 37, and then 19 of us graduated Fire Academy. We all, 19 of us pushed through all the challenges mentally, physically, where some did quit. We pushed all the way through the end and got to see each other graduate, so that was really nice. Team bonding, to the extreme. And I think, there's of course friendly competition, everything's a competition in the Fire Academy, but then we can flip it, and when someone needs our support, we're always screaming and pushing each other to the full max, because I feel like we all know where each other's limits are when we're doubting ourselves.
Nice, man, meter. There we go, man.
Yeah.
There we go. Let us help you. Nice, man, meter. That broken had a hybrid in it. Yeah, man, meter. Let's go. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not a hybrid anymore. Yeah.
Hybrid, did you say?
Hey, Meter, where's your water solution? I got it right here.
If you have no background, which I don't have any fire experience, it's a lot. A lot of mechanical, a lot of studying for hours. Fire 1, Fire 2, hazmat, the driving operator, it's a lot. Just know that everyone out at Academy wants to succeed. They're gonna play the game, they're gonna be hard, they're gonna be terrifying. They will never not be terrifying. But to know, like, mentally, like, everyone wants you to succeed, everyone wants you to graduate. You just have to do all the skills and do all the tower laps and do all the physical stuff and mentally know that, like, there is an end date. You will, if you make it all the way, you will become an Aurora firefighter. Like, it is worth it, 100%. 1, do stairs. Start doing stairs like yesterday. Physically, I feel like the biggest advice I wish I would have gotten is, like, I worked out every day. I physically prepared. You know, like, you can't really you can mentally prepare, but you never know, like, what's coming. But physically, do high volume exercises, so like CrossFit, weighted stairs, work out in a hoodie and sweatpants, like, it's gonna get hot in bunker gear. So you're physically comfortable with being that uncomfortable so that that mental part isn't as bad when you are at that, like, red line and you need to push past it. So I think a lot of it, half of it was mental, half of it was physical for the people who did leave. Honestly, I don't know, because I kind of blacked out in the speech because that it was all blur.
The final award tonight is the Instructor's Choice Award. The recipient of this award demonstrates consistency in exceeding our expectations. The recruit learns what he or she needs to do and in turn shares that ability with their classmates. This recruit gets him or herself squared away, then looks further ahead to see where their classmates and cadre need attention. This recruit firefighter is one that each of the training staff would like to have on their crew. Earning the 2501 Instructor's Choice Award is recruit firefighter Skylar Van Meter.
And they all vote for one recruit, and I was it.
And now you have to sit on the tailboard.
Yep.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay.
So fast forward to now. How long have you been in the firehouse?
2 months. Very different than Academy. Everyone says it. Probation is a very different kind of hard, and it is. It's a year long. So I think, you know, you're the new person, so, you know, you want to impress your whole crew. You need to earn your place with, like, the trainings and the effort, the attitude coming in. And then on probation, you have a bunch of tests. Show up every single day with good effort and attitude. And it's kind of hard, you know, you work every third day, and it's hard sometimes to come in every third day for 24 hours with being 100%. So that's probably the hardest part.
It's just about 10:30 at night, and most of the crew is starting to bed down after a long day of running calls and training. So I will see you in the morning, if not sooner.
Engine 8, Engine 9, Brush 8, Brush 12, Engine 12, Battalion 2, Battalion 1, on a brush fire, South Atlanta Street, East Alameda Avenue. Engine 8, Engine 9, Brush 8, Brush 12, Engine 12, Battalion 2, Battalion 1, on an outbreak brush fire, South Atlanta Street, East Alameda Avenue. All units responding to respond attack 2 at 53.
We're at Abilene. We're going to make you to be found in English.
Hi, sir. Battalion 1 with I got to shift you guys over to the radio supply on 6 and 225. Another outside fire. Battalion 2 sounds like it's going to be no stir. Working fire. 2242.
Engine 5, Ladder 5, Ladder E, Battalion 5, Battalion 1 on a working fire. 1370, dispatching to by warehouse. Engine 5, Ladder 5, Battalion 1, Battalion 5, and Ladder 8 on a working fire. 1380, dispatching to by warehouse.
Skylar's working to extinguish this fire in the bushes. Meanwhile, there is a working fire in a building being transmitted not too far from us, just up 225 at 6th Avenue.
Engine 5, Engine 12, Engine 9, Ladder 5, Ladder 2, Battalion 1, Battalion 2, to a structure fire. Please respond, type 4, please back 4, 120. Engine 5 can handle, pick up the firework copy of it.
To the Sally, the jail.
Good morning. After a steady night of calls for both companies here, we just got back to the station from an early morning medical assist across the street at the city jail. Skylar's washing the rigs, coffee's on, and everybody's getting ready to start their day off. Thanks for watching and riding along with me in this video. If you have questions about anything that you saw, you can shoot me an email at afdpio@auroragov.org, or you can direct message us on our Facebook or Instagram accounts, and we're happy to connect with you there. If you've got any suggestions on where you'd like me to ride along next or who you'd like to meet on the department, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.
That's good. That's real good.
Setting us up with a blooper already, first hour into it.
Nice job. It's like you've done this before.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be louder, so I.
Throw it right here. Like, act like you're gonna hit yourself in the head. You'll be surprised, I promise. You'll be surprised, it won't actually hit you in the head. But you gotta, that's the motion. And it'll come right back.
And once you start getting it, and it'll really help you if you just start going.